All right. So last night I bought calls on a few different stocks. Going to show you guys what I was doing, what I was looking at, and taking profit today. One of those calls up almost 100% overnight. So going to show you guys this play that I made and kind of the overall thought process of why I did it, and show you closing out for the profit today. So if you guys haven't already, you know what to do. Hit that like button and stay tuned. Now we're up $546. I'm gonna look to sell these calls, Facebook calls. I paid $1.11. Currently, it's trading at $1.84, up to $2 now. So we're up to $2 on this. I'm up $522 on these Facebook calls. $222. Let's see if it'll keep pushing. The market's rallying right now. We should get a little bit more of a push here. I'm gonna look to sell. We'll say market kind of bouncing right now. You guys can't even see it on the chart. All right, so there we go. Market kind of trying to bounce here, 278 right now. Look, trying to lock down profit here today. Just this computer don't want me to do it. All right, so the bid currently at 211 on Facebook. We're up there. I'm trying to get filled here, 213. Just get it. Let's go. Let's go right here, baby. Come on. Let me get it. Let me get that 28. Why is the computer is really having troubles right now? Looking for Facebook. Let's go. 180.40 here. 180.40. 180.40, 180.40, 180.40. Boom! We're out, getting filled there on Facebook. So let's look at, let's figure out what we're doing with Delta. People are trying to call me right now. Hey, I'm busy. The market's open. I can't be on the phone with anybody right now. This is terrible. This is terrible video. It's just overall a terrible video right now. I'm really doing a bad job for you guys. I want to apologize. No, right now, Bank of America looking for a bounce back here from the 2205 area. We're in the red right now, Royal Caribbean. You can see locked in $500 in profit there on those Facebook calls, and trying to see if Bank of America can hold this $22 area. Looks like kind of a little bit of weakness there, 22 still. I might look to just lock that down, but we'll give it a little bit of time. Literally, the bid on these Royal Caribbean calls is at 175. Can you guys see this? Look at this bid here on these Royal Caribbean calls. Well, I got so screwed here today. This is not good. I gotta get my life together. Should have just had orders ready to go at open, you know, like just let me go. Let me get out of these things, you know, like let me go. All right, so that was this was a really overall bad video. This morning, having issues trying to sell those calls, and you can see the market kind of tanked there at open. I was hoping for more of a push up to the 280 area. We just had a lot of trouble there at the 278, so I ended up just kind of panic closing out most of those calls, trying to get out as fast as possible. Not that I don't think the market can go higher, but I've learned my lesson with options that when it comes down to it, if you're in the green and you got the green, sometimes you just got to take the profit, and that's what we did today. We just ended up taking the profits. So you can see yesterday you can't see it, my head's in the way, but you can see yesterday the low on the SPY was this 272 area. It held multiple times. 272 held. So my thought process at the end of the day here, when we sold off, we hit that 272 area once again. We hit boom, we're hitting that 272 area. I was like, as long as 272 can hold support wise, we should expect a push from there tomorrow morning. So that's exactly what we got. You can see the low yesterday. It was at 272. 272. I ended up buying calls on most of those companies that you saw earlier, looking for a pushback. Facebook was the big winner for some reason. I'm not really sure why Facebook was the big winner, but Delta was kind of a lagger. I didn't even know that the Delta earnings were tomorrow, so that was maybe bad. In general, I probably should look at that more often when the companies have earnings. But you can see today, going from 272, you can see yesterday, 272. This morning, we are sitting at 277 on this chart here on the SPY. So it worked out. My overall plan, my overall thought process and thesis worked out beautifully. And you can see 277 now on the SPY, bouncing back. A little bit of support there right now. Looking like a little bit of support there, 277 area. We'll see what happens if this is going to continue to push. But either way, I locked in the profit. And yeah, I need to spend some time. I'm going to spend some time today going through Thinkorswim and figuring out what the hell, how do I get in and out of those options much quicker. I need to be getting in and out of those options much quicker. So yeah, if you guys have any advice, let me know in the comments down below. This was definitely I screwed myself out of a good amount of profit today. Should have closed for a lot more profit. Ended up closing out those Facebook calls for $500 in profit, and then the other stuff kind of just started selling off, so ended up getting out for a small loss on those, but kind of managing that. And the P&L on the day is $360. So at one point it was like up to $800. Ended up getting kind of just yeah. I got to make sure that I know how to get out of these positions quicker. So I got to get that set up and figure out what I'm doing wrong when it comes to selling. But either way, we locked down some profits. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me a big favor. Hit that like button, the subscribe button down below, and all that fun stuff. And like I said, if you have any advice on how to get out of these positions quicker, well, I want to know. Let me know. I'll talk to you guys later on.